Hey guys, and welcome back. This is how you can animate glowing lines in After Effects so that the glowing lines will travel around the subject or along the subject's edges in a video. So for example, we have this video of this walking person, and then drag it into the composition panel just like this. We're going to highlight this person, use Roto Brush to do this, click on this one, and then double click on the footage, and then select the area within the edges of the subject, just enough to cover everything, just like this. Fancy. Now what we're going to do is to move it forward. Alright, move it forward a bit until there's this gap. You hold the Alt key to erase this, the gap, just like so. When it's, opening, zoom in, and then hold the Alt key to delete the gap, just like so. Hold on. Just like this. Just like this, pretty much. Actually, we don't need to erase the gap because we're focusing on the outer edge of this person, and then we're going to make some outlines on the edges of this person. So what we're going to do now is to freeze. Click on freeze to lock all of the the traced edges of this person, so that this person has a cutout. If we go back to the composition, it will look like this pretty much, and then we're going to make a mask out of the Roto Brush tracing. Click on freeze. When you're done, unfreeze it, just like so, and then make a masking area out of this traced edges of this person. To do this, go to layer, and then go to auto trace, and then click on work area, and then make sure that you untick the box for apply to new layer, and then click on OK, and then the masking area will be generated. It will take some time. When it's done, if you go back and you delete the effects, and then go back to composition, so it will look like this. The the masking area has been formed just like this. Fancy, right? So actually we're focusing on the outer part of the this subject, right? So to make the outlines glowing, you can use Saber, but we should do some tricks with the mask. So click on add, and then for this, subtract, and then we copy and paste this again. Delete the mask for the background, and then click right click on the left side of the timeline, new, and then solid. Make the layer black, just like this. Okay, and then copy the keyframes of the copy the masks, and then paste it into the black solid, just like this. And then drag Saber into this black solid, and then under customize core, change the core type to layer masks, just like this. And then change the blending mode to add. There you go. Fancy, right? Now this person is glowing now. You can adjust the animation of this glowing line. So you can decrease the starting offset so that there's this animation going on here, and then you can do some tricks with the end offset as well. even for the evolution as well, so that you know, the glowing lines are traveling along the edges of the subject. So starting from 0, and then you simply just turn on the stopwatch for mask evolution, and then finally at this duration, let's say if we like make it go until it reaches the leg of this person, just like so. Fancy, right? Pretty fancy. And then you can even change the preset to any preset that you want. For example, fractal or inferno. I like the electric one better. Or maybe cellular. I think the default one is actually better. And then, you know, the glowing area is pretty much you know, projected on these walls close to the subject. But you can, you know, also like go to masks. Actually, let's erase these masks actually, so that you know, only the outer part of this person gets highlighted, just like this. And that is how you can do this glowing lines animation in After Effects. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me. It's good day, ciao.